Hello everyone, I'm Kanimuri from second year Computer Science and Engineering Department at J. C. Ram Engineering College. Today I'm going to explain about the experiment heap shot using the technique of transform and conquer. So let's get started.
In this video, I am going to explain about heap shot, which is a very important sorting algorithm in computer science. Heap shot follows a design strategy called transform and conquer. In this method, we first transform the given data into another structure called heap, and then we perform sorting on that structure. Heap shot is widely used because it is efficient and guarantees good performance. It works well for large data sets and has a predictable time complexity. In this video, I will explain what is heap, how heap shot works, an example of heap shot, the algorithm and Java code, and finally the conclusion. So, the heap shot is a comparison-based sorting algorithm. This means it sorts elements by comparing values with each other. The algorithm follows the transform and conquer technique. First step, we convert the given array into a heap data structure. Second step, we repeatedly remove the largest element from the heap and place it at the end of the array. A heap is a special type of binary tree where elements follow a specific order. In max heap, the parent node is always greater than its child nodes because of this property. The largest element always stays at the root, which makes sorting easier. What is heap? A heap is a special type of complete binary tree. A complete binary tree means all levels of the tree are filled except possibly the last level. There are two types of heaps, max heap and min heap. In max heap, the parent node is greater than its children, and in the min heap, the parent node is smaller than its children. Working process of heap shot. Heap shot works in two main phases. Building a max heap. First, convert the given array into a max heap structure. This ensures that the largest element is always at the root of the heap. Sorting process. After building the heap, swap the root element with the last element of the array. Reduce the size of the heap and apply heapify to maintain the heap property. Repeat the steps until the all elements are sorted. By repeating these steps, the array becomes sorted in ascending order. Let us take an example, array elements of 10, 5, 4, 3, 1. First we construct the max heap which is displayed on the slide. Now we start deleting the node, remove 10, remove 5, remove 4 and remove 3. So by repeatedly removing the largest element we can get a sorted list. Now let us see the algorithm of the heap shot. The heap shot algorithm mainly consists of two stages, building the max heap, sorting the elements. Building the max heap, first convert the given array into a max heap. This ensures that the largest element is always at the root of the heap. Swap the root. Next, swap the root element with the last element of the array. Reduce heap size. After swapping, reduce the size of the heap by 1 because the last element is now in its correct position. Heapify. Apply heapify operation on the root element to maintain the max heap property. Repeat this process of swapping and heapifying until the heap size becomes 1. Finally, the array becomes sorted in ascending order. Now we are going to see about Java implementation of heap shot. Import Java util.scanner. This line imports the scanner class to take input from the user. Public class heap shot. This creates a class named heap shot. Public static void heap shot. This method performs the heap shot operation on the array. This loops used to build the max heap. Heapify function maintains the heap property, and the next loop removes the largest element repeatedly. Then we can swap the root element with the last element using temporary variable. Since the root contains the largest element, it moves to the correct sorted position. After swapping, we call heapify again to maintain the heap structure. Okay, heapify function. The heapify function ensures the tree follows the max heap property. Int largest equal to I. Assume the current node is largest. Okay, these lines calculate the left and right child indexes. Then we check if the left child is larger than the root node, if the right child is larger than the current largest. If a child is larger, we swap them. Then heapify is called recursively to maintain the heap property. To conclude, heap sort is an efficient sorting algorithm that uses transform and conquest strategy. First, the array is transformed into a max heap, then the largest element is removed repeatedly and placed at the end. This process continues until the entire array becomes sorted. The time complexity of heap sort is O of n log n, which makes it efficient for large data sets. Because of its efficiency and predictable performance, heap sort is widely used in computer science. Thank you.